Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. So actually not really scroll down, scroll to find the apps. Now we have to scroll down this time and tap on Special App Access. And here let's localize this option, Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Let's tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher next to this Allow from the source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.